Welcome to Lumens Lighting and Power. Looking for the Task Lighting Angle Power Strip? Well, you've come to the right place. We have the AP series, the APT series, and the TR series. Please be aware that some areas of the country require tamper-resistant receptacles to meet electrical code. Check with your electrician or contractor or code enforcement. Both the TR series and the APT series are tamper-resistant. The APS series is not tamper-resistant. This is the only difference between the APS series and the APT series. Please come visit us now at our website lumenslp.com and learn more about the Angle Power Strips by Task Lighting. See you there!